sklearn. Features election. Variance threshold. Description. A feature selection method that removes all features whose variance doesn't meet a certain threshold. It's a simple yet effective way to remove features that are constant or near constant, as they provide little to no information for the model. This technique is typically used as a preprocessing step before training more complex machine learning models. Inputs. X. A NumPy array or pandas data frame containing the features independent variables. Threshold. A float representing the minimum variance required for a feature to be retained. Features with a variance below this threshold will be removed. The default value is 0.0. Outputs. Transformed X. A NumPy array or pandas data frame containing only the features that met the variance threshold. Selected features. A list containing the indices of the features that were retained. Steps. Calculate the variance of each feature in the input data. Compare the variance of each feature to the provided threshold. Remove features whose variance is below the threshold. Metrics. Variance measures how much the values of a feature vary from its mean. Feature importance. Indirectly, a higher variance can suggest higher feature importance. Visualization plots. Histogram of feature variances. A histogram can visually display the distribution of variances across all features, allowing you to identify features with low variance. Fine-tune parameters. Threshold. This parameter directly controls which features are retained. Lowering the threshold will retain more features, while raising it will remove more features. It's important to experiment with different thresholds to find the optimal balance for your specific dataset. Uncertainty methods. Non-variance threshold is a deterministic method and doesn't inherently address uncertainty. However, the choice of the threshold itself can introduce uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Choosing the right threshold. Selecting a threshold that is too low might retain features that offer little predictive value, leading to overfitting. A threshold that is too high might remove valuable features, leading to underfitting. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A dataset with a few features that have very low variance but are still predictive. Fixes to challenge 1. Experiment with different thresholds based on domain knowledge and the nature of the dataset. Utilize techniques like cross-validation to evaluate the performance of the model with different thresholds. Challenge 2. Feature scaling. Variance threshold is sensitive to the scale of the features. Features with larger scales will have higher variances, potentially leading to the removal of valuable features with smaller scales. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. A dataset where features have vastly different scales, e.g., one feature is in meters, another in kilograms. Fixes to challenge 2. Standardize or normalize the features before applying variance threshold. This ensures that all features have similar scales, preventing biases based on variance. Challenge 3. Handling correlated features. Variance threshold does not consider correlations between features. If two highly correlated features exist, variance threshold might remove one of them, even though both could be valuable for the model. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. A dataset with two features that have similar variance but are highly correlated. Fixes to challenge 3. Consider using feature selection methods that explicitly address correlations like select k-best with fclassif for classification or fregression for regression, or use feature engineering techniques to combine correlated features.